Think back of your favorite achievement. Remember how it felt, the warm glow of accomplishment and success. Think about the moment when the desire to achieve the goal was just a small seed in your mind and you said yes to that idea. What were you thinking about then? Were you worried or afraid? Excited or enthusiastic? Did you visualize success or failure? Did you picture yourself on the podium or in the last place? Did you say to yourself, I want this and I am going to do this? Or, I don't think I could be able to achieve it. When you were first thinking about the goal, you were visualizing it as though it is accomplished. This is creative visualization. By repeatedly visualizing an event, situation, object, or person, you command your subconscious mind that this is what you want, and then it happens.
Today, I, Dr. Sonali Asnani, a physician and a life coach, will give you the blueprint of creative visualization as a powerful tool to help you gain awareness of your life. Thereby, you will be able to identify the areas of your life or behavior which need to be changed or improved. Creative visualization is a type of mindfulness exercise that can be used to promote success in every area of life. It is the act of seeing in your mind's eye that which you want to attract in your life. It could be accomplishment of your goal, particular healing of the disease, or positive outcome of difficult situation you are going through. We create visual perception, then we maintain, inspect and transform those images, modify them and associate them with emotions and feelings. If you are constantly repeating certain thoughts to yourself, your subconscious mind accepts these thoughts and this causes a change in your long-term mindset. This change in mindset can then have a knock-on effect towards your behavior, feelings and habits, making creative visualization to be very effective. Creative visualization is not a magic, but a natural process of using thought process to imprint a desire and a command into the mind and also project the right kind of energetic vibrations that will attract whatever you desire to improve any area of your life. Imagination is also a creative art like daydreaming. For example, you can imagine about your next holiday, going to meeting or exam, and all will come out fine, but not necessarily it is associated with strong feelings. This is the difference between the imagination and visualization. Visualization is to attach feelings to what you are visualizing. Daydreaming or imagination will not have same powerful effect as of visualization where we use all our five senses. It gives the element to reprogram your mind. The mind is a very powerful thing and the visual images that are created to create a visualization can determine some of the strong feelings and emotions that you experience when you think of them. Images have tremendous manifesting power that increases with concentration and repetition. A single thought, like a single raindrop, won't make the garden bloom, but many thoughts with strong emotions create a nourishing rain from which your garden springs. Your thoughts are unconsciously picked up by other people. The more well-defined and focused these thoughts are, the more the right people and circumstances will appear, and the faster you will make your vision come true.
Even just taking the time out of your day to be still, silent and relaxed can help you reduce your stress and help you feel more positive. Visualization is a form of relaxation, just like meditation. Just like meditation, you can actually increase your focus and concentration by sitting down and visualizing. When you perform this task, you are actually forgetting your troubles from the day and any worries you might have about your future. And you are normally picturizing yourself achieving success and experiencing positive situations. This means that you are increasing your self-confidence. Creative visualization is accomplished in the first person and in the present tense, as if it is happening now. Even though visualization may not be true right now, but the thought of it can spark a joy in your life. This is because your mind won't know the difference between the visualization and actually doing that thing. When you visualize your goals and dreams, we become inspired to make them happen. This inspiration makes us work towards the reality. As this visualization can help you with positivity, motivation, confidence and inspiration, it can also help you to have the improved relationship with your friends and partner. Creative visualization can be used to improve many conditions like anxiety, depression and low mood. In some cases, it can even minimize the physical pain. It helps in developing clarity and get unstuck and create a new vision of how you want your life to be. It helps to see the problem from the different aspect where it is already solved, from where you can get the key to the solution to the problem. Let's try to learn a simple visualization technique. It is vital to be in relaxed and positive state of mind when you attempt creative visualization. For example, you might try taking a quiet walk in the peaceful area or listen to the instrumental music. You should also try to take meditative exercises before you begin, or at least spend few minutes focusing on the slow, steady breathing. Then close your eyes. Imagine a large TV screen in front of you. Visualize your current situation. Feel that negativity for few seconds that you want to heal. For example, you are a coach of a team that has not won any game in the entire season. Feel that emotion. Then erase the screen like you switch off your TV. Then you have to start it again. Now visualize your goal on the new screen. Once your mind feels still and receptive, start crafting an image of the thing you want, as if the project is already finished, taking as long as you like to build up all the details. Make it more vivid in all colors, with all your 5 senses. Feel the joy and visualize, like winning a tournament and seeing holding the medals. Visualize giving the team the winning speech at the end of the tournament. Picture the positive reactions of the people around you. Try to make the environment as realistic as possible and do your best to experience not just the sights but also the sounds, scents and tactile sensations associated with your goal. See 2 or more people benefit from this state other than you, like you hand over the medals to each player. See their faces and spark in their eyes. Hold on to the feelings associated with the visualization. Hold on to the feelings of pride, happiness, confidence and peace that you experience when you picture your goal, and repeatedly affirm your belief that you will soon attract the things you yearn for. Now open your eyes and come to this world. Make a habit of using creative visualization as a daily part of your life. But do not spend too much time in visualization, because it can rob you of something very essential, that is, living in the present. Now you can work hard to achieve your goal. Take every relevant opportunity you encounter. Be brave and believe in a happier and more fulfilling life. Visualization is a powerful tool, not in the physical world, but it is a simple mental conditioning exercise. We expect the best, visualize the best to happen, but we also accept the outcome, whatever it may be. We accept the outcome that is accurate in this moment. This acceptance is the critical part of positive thinking. Thank you.